busted Aquastat. I come home today and I'm walking down the hallway and I hear the Aquastat relay click to turn on the boiler, and the motor comes on, but just for a fraction of a second. And I says, that's odd, especially since nobody was using the hot water. It shouldn't, the level shouldn't be changing that rapidly, that maybe it would get like a false reading or something like that. I don't know. So I just stood at the top of the stairs for a minute to see if it was going to do anything else, and it did it again. And it just started doing it real rapidly, so I shut it off, because you should always shut it off. When something doesn't work right, you should always shut it off. That's how you break equipment, is you leave it on when it's not working. So I shut it off, and I come downstairs and I turn it on again to check it, and the Aquastat is all screwed up. It's got all the DELs are on, and the screen was saying 8. Now, as you can see here, it's obviously not working properly. The numbers are sporadic. This boiler has a mechanical gauge on top, and it's saying, it's a little blurry, but it is saying about 130, oh, see, is that, it's 120, it's 150, it's about 130 or 135. The pressure is reasonable. And this is saying 161. It's flicking down to 150 at times. Just flicked to 140. Hello. Who is it? Who is it? Oh, you're stupid. Anyways, so the Aquastat is just totally busted. I don't know what the heck is wrong with it. It's only a couple years old. It's dated 2021, which is about the time when this boiler was installed. So this lasted not even, what, like part of 4 years approximately. I flicked it on and off a bunch of times. I kept pushing the reset button there on the top, and I eventually got it to work to the point where it is enough that it would turn the boiler on for a little while, because this is a cast iron boiler and you don't want those to cool off, because then it can leak and whatever. So I just wanted to get it on for the moment so I could heat it back up again, and it seems like it's operating normally, but I don't trust this trash at all. Stinking piece of garbage. I don't understand how stuff like this, I know everything is cheap and built to a cost today, but how does something like this not have like a minimum quality standard to the point where it has to at least work? It just plain worked for a long time, and this is just such poor quality. So I'm going to shut it back off until I need to use hot water later, because I don't trust this thing now. I'll order a new Aquastat. I don't keep that part on hand. I keep a lot of parts on hand. I keep the motor, the oil pump, the igniter, the nozzle, the fill. I keep all that stuff on hand in case something breaks. Probably should keep a circulator pump on hand too. I guess I'm going to add this to the list of things I keep on hand now. If these are pieces of garbage and only last 4 years, what a joke. Stupid. I just love when you come home and you find out that something broke. Probably pushing my luck with this dumb thing. I'm just curious if we can replicate the erratic behavior that it had before. Now it says, oh, it was saying low water. Now it says high temp. It's set for, I usually set it to 140 to 160, and in the summer I usually drop it down to like 130, 150, sometimes 120, 140 if it's really hot out, just to keep some of the extra heat out of the house. I don't think I ever did that this year. No, it's still 140, 160, so according to this, well, if it would make up its dumb mind about what the temperature is, This is, okay, now this is reading almost 170. So it probably is up to 160 now. Whatever. At least it seems like I might be able to get some hot water to wash the dishes and stuff tonight, and then I'll order a new one and I'll replace it tomorrow.